Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by PropertyCozy.com. Rarely does an opportunity such as this arise, in the sought-after College View subdivision in Mandeville. This spacious 7 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms home with attached 2-car garage, is situated in close proximity to Northern Caribbean University. Live in one unit and rent the other, or it is great for large families. Guys, let's take a quick look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican $38 million or US $246.8 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you can visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.